What's up, baddies? What's up, gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be unboxing a bag from the Barbie and Aldo collection, so don't go nowhere. Let's get started. So technically this isn't really an unboxing because I bought it in person, but either way we're going to open it up and we're going to show you guys. All right, so let's open her up. All right, so let's get into the details. So this is the front of the bag.
Me fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely.
What I love about this bag are the multiple ways that you can wear it.
I can't see, I'm blind.
Let me get my thumbnails in, y'all. Let's get into the details of the bag. This bag is called the Barbecue Cross, and the bag costs $80. Now my camera's about to die. How great. Hold on, guys. All right, so I am back. As we all know, the Barbie movie drops in July, and I bought this bag in September. I didn't even know that Barbie and Aldo dropped a collection, so I didn't even see this collection on social media or anywhere. I just went to the mall one day and I walked into Aldo just to see, and I saw this bag and I was like, yeah, I have to have it. One thing about me is, like, when I see a bag I really love, I have to have it, and I really don't care what the price is. Yes, $80 is a lot for this bag, but the quality is very nice and it gives me Chanel vibes, and it doesn't give me little girl vibes or nothing like that. It gives, yeah, I'm that bitch vibes when I'm wearing this bag. Like, if you're a bad girl, you just know, like, there's certain bags that make you feel like, yeah, I'm that bitch, like, yeah, you see me. So that's the vibe that I get from this bag. And the funny thing is, I didn't even see the Barbie movie yet. Like, I work in a movie theater, so I seen multiple clips of the movie, and it was giving very much musical vibes, and that's not my vibe. And just like a whole bunch of certain scenes I seen, it was just like, I don't know, maybe they just overhyped the movie. Yeah, I've seen certain clips of the movie where it's like, okay, very inspirational, or it has like a deep meaning behind it. So I've seen those clips, but I do think they overhyped the movie. And I am a 90s baby, so I did grow up playing with Barbies, but yeah, I'm not like a crazy fan. So I didn't even really buy the bag because, oh, I'm obsessed with Barbie. I just bought the bag because it's giving I'm that girl. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank y'all for tuning in. Remember to stay tuned to Lady on the Moon. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. If y'all want to see me unbox something else, a try on haul, whatever you want to see, let me know. And make sure to follow me on TikTok, Lady on the Moon. I'll put it right here on the screen. Oh, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button already. Okay, see y'all soon. Love y'all.